Kia ora, I'm Emma Dent and welcome back to the latest episode of the Video Weekly Diary series. As usual, we'll start things off with our notable events of the week. On Tuesday, there was a large block trade in Pushpay that was a result of the Hulich family selling 25% of their shares. Peter Hulich noted in an announcement to the NZX that the outlook for Pushpay remains positive and that the Hulich family look forward to continuing to support the company. On Friday, Fonterra revised its 2019 to 20 and 20 to 2021 forecast farmgate milk price ranges. The 2019 to 20 forecast farmgate milk price range has narrowed to $7.10 to $7.20 per kilogram of milk solids. The 2020 to 2021 forecast farmgate milk price range has narrowed from $5.90 to $6.90 per kilogram of milk solids. Fonterra Chairman John Monaghan says that the narrowing of the 2019 to 20 milk price towards the lower end of the previous range is a result of the strengthening New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar over the past 2 months. On Wednesday, NZX Smartshares launched a core series of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. ETFs are bought and sold on stock exchanges like regular shares. ETFs typically contain a portfolio of securities designed to track specific indices such as the S&P NZX 50. The aim of the ETF is to mirror the performance of this group of companies in the index. The 4 new funds will track the S&P NZX 50 Gross Index, an index of New Zealand government bonds, Australia's top 200 listed companies, and a hedged FTSE Global All Cap Index comprising of 8,000 stocks from around the world. Moving on, let's take a look at our weekly recap. The total value traded for the week was $1.1 billion, with 50% of that value traded on market and a trade count of 250,000. The S&P NZX 50 rose 1.6%, closing the week at 11,584. In global markets, the S&P 500 rose 1.2% and the ASX 200 rose 1.9%. Further information on the weekly recap, including the value and volume of the NZX Top 10 securities, can be found in the weekly diary. And finally, our week ahead. The full-year dividend for Turners will be paid to shareholders this Friday. We are also expecting the full-year results for Livestock Improvement Corporation and Oceania to be announced this week. Goodman Property Trust, Trustpower and Bliss Technologies are all holding their annual general meetings this week. More information on upcoming results and meetings can be found on our website. Thank you for watching the weekly diary video. Don't forget to check out the weekly diary in the links below for more information, and have a great week.